So, as you see, nasa car tayo. So, today, ang gagawin natin, magda-drive tayo. Isasama namin kayo sa Tochigi. Tochigi is around 250 to 300 kilometers from my house and magka-car tayo. So, it will take like 3 hours to get there. So, pag magda-drive tayo, ano yung mga kailangan natin gawin? Siyempre, i-ready natin yung car. Kailangan natin ng car, of course. And one more is the ETC card. ETC card is, ETC stands for Electronic Toll Collection System. So, saan mo to nakukuha? Actually, you have to apply for this card. And to apply for the card, you need to have a credit card. Kasi yung lahat ng bill, yung lahat ng use mo nito goes directly to your credit card. And it will be charged to your credit card every billing. So, kakailanganin mo ng ETC slot sa car mo. Yung mga recent cars, yung mga bago, meron na silang ready installed. Pero kung yung car mo is luma, you will need to install. Gagawin mo, ilalagay mo lang siya. And then, yan, automatic. Pagpasok mo sa gate, bubukas siya. And then, paglabas mo, automatically rin siya na ma-charge sa'yo kung magkano yung distance. So, as I said today, we will run around 250 kilometers. So, magkano siya aabutin on an expressway? Let's find out later. So, yung ETC slot sa car ko, it varies yung location depending sa car and dun sa installation. So, i-insert mo lang siya. Ayan. And then, i-read na siya. And then, iseset na natin ang ating destination. Of course, dito sa Japan, we always rely on navigation. And my navigation is it's all in Japanese. So, let me set our destination and let's see how far we are. So, once isinet mo yung destination, ayan, it shows yung mga option mo. So, it says here, it says here that our bill will be like that. We will see if it's true. The time is, now at time it's 6:44 and then according to our navigation, we will arrive at 9:50. So, we are passing through. Papasok na po tayo sa highway. And since we are using the ETC, dun tayo sa ETC sign. Dito tayo. Yes. Normally, you have to check your ETC card kasi sometimes pag nag-expire na siya, hindi mo rin siya magagamit. Maximum speed 80 kilometers per hour. Now here, mapapansin nyo meron siyang wall sa both sides. This wall is ano siya, soundproof kasi para hindi siya maingay dun sa mga residences outside. So here, pag tatakbo ko sa highway, you can see some part na meron siyang wall na ganito. Pag ganon, it means yung outside niya is residential area. And now, nandito tayo sa service station kasi we're gonna use the toilet. We'll have a break.
Yeah, and I'll get coffee.
Hi, Welly! At
Dahil. Bala sila. Yeah.
Excelsior. Espresso.
Espresso.
Frozen. Like coffee caramel.
What's the flavor?
It's so
wow.
sweet.
Now, nandito tayo sa Rindo Lake. Yan. Yay! Pero hindi tayo papasok this time. Ang titignan natin this one. Mukhang masarap. Order.
Ang bango ng bango.
Same caramel. Cheers. Thank you. We bought this. It's a milk yogurt smoothie. Yay! Because Naso they have many farms, so their products are good. But today it's so hot.
Yeah, it is so hot.
Oh my gosh, it's boiling hot. 33.
Yes.
30 degrees Fahrenheit.
No, Celsius.
Ay, Celsius, sorry, Celsius. Nandito tayo sa Nasu Wine Hills. Anong nandito? May wine kaya silang tinda? Alamin natin. I like the surroundings. And they have complimentary drinks. This one is a Royal Blueberry Farm. This is the most popular item. This one or this one. But in this winery, yung pinuproduce nila, this is their wine talaga. It's a blueberry flavored wine. And then they have this strawberry flavored wine. And actually, this shop, ano pa lang sila, it's play open. Ang grand opening nila is on the 16th of July. So, we are lucky. Kasi, we are a few people na nakapunta dito. And they have so many wine. This is like a whiskey. This is all produced in their in their winery. So this is whiskey.
It's nice driving here. So relaxing. I like the arch of trees.
Maganda siya pag autumn.
But as you said, we are not going back here.
Now going back to the sea.
to the same
facility. To the same hotel.
We'll try other accommodation.
Kasi marami pang other excitement na dito. Like for example, this one, a musical box museum. Meron pang mga place na
We return here 7 and on, except at 11. And it has traditional color. Are we going to pass by those shops we went to?
yesterday. Maybe.
Just passing by.
I don't know.
It's so relaxing, all the greeneries.
Hindi mo mapapansin, pero elevated talaga. Nasa highland tayo. Kaya lang, hindi obvious yung paakyat niya.
Actually.
So ngayon,
Like it's smooth driving. Now
we're super pababa. Pag hindi ako nag-brake is
We are in Nasu Tochigi Cafe. Wow.
It's a nice cafe too.
It's so posh here. Like people retiring from the city probably would like to move here. Look at those facilities here. It's so country life, and it actually gives me like Tagaytay vibes. I'm not sure if that's correct, but yeah, or Baguio, like only the greenery part.
Italian restaurant here. Oh, meron siyang bread shop. Italian bread shop.
Oh, that's
mukhang masarap. Mukhang masarap.
But we are after soba.
Something to look forward to when we return. Diba dito sa Japan, what is good about Japan? Kahit pabalik-balik ka doon, ang daming places to explore talaga.
Yes, it's never ending. Wow! Look at that.
およそ700メートル先、右方向です。
My most used words. Oh, there's something going on.
It's a bazaar?
Probably.
Asian bazaar something? Yeah. It's a bazaar. At here, meron pa sila doon, no? Interesting. Asian bazaar. Ayan na, Asian old.
Asian.
Asian
Old
World
Bazaar.
Bazaar. Asian World Bazaar. So remember, so next time you come here,
Family
drop by
Mart.
in there.
The color is not like any other, like most areas in Japan. It's brown.
およそ
Ah, this is War Museum.
More
右方向
museum.
So yun nakikita din mo na. Ito, para siyang Ghibli, oh. Parang Ghibli, feels.
Feels, Ghibli feels. That's why
右方向
the
です。
teddy bear museum, and then there is also Totoro
右
there.
方向です。
Bear museum.
This is
So now you know
getting to
the-
Safari Park is one of the destination here. Safari Park.
Nice Safari Park. Yeah, we're just passing by these areas.
およそ2キロ先、目的地周辺です。
Dito lahat
Yeah.
halos yung like marami
Everything is here.
maraming restaurant,
Nasa nursery,
very fancy
something.
cafe.
Yeah, fancy. Yeah, this is here.
Lanai Cafe. Uy,
Oh.
magandang Hawaiian. Diba? Ang dami.
So many places to visit. Safari Park.
They are
They're open. Look at those buses.
Safari Park House. And so many
Oh, yeah,
destinations,
white
pension houses.
And that's Nasu. And then vending machines and so many shops around here.
Natural farm. It's also like maybe they are selling farm goods. Like
Pension.
blueberry, they have so many
およそ
Blueberry
700メートル
items.
先、目的
It's
地
like
周
the
辺です。
one we visited yesterday. Relaxing sceneries.
This is
Laid
also
back
a farm over
lifestyle.
here.
Yeah.
So where like they have many horses there.
It's a slow life. What's that?
Big
Soba,
like
soba,
restaurant,
soba.
but we are close to ours.
Ah,
Restaurant.
there. They also have soba.
sa EDC.
この先
Yung EDC, this highway ends here. So, papasok tayo sa another highway. So, titingnan natin kung magkano yung babayaran natin from mag-entry tayo up to here. Since we will be using the EDC card, ang gagamitin nating lane is EDC
こ
lane,
の
of
先
course.
料金所です
Normally, ang mga gates na siya is EDC. Pero meron pa rin na yung gustong magbayad ng cash, dun sila sa green lane. Doon, pwede kang magbayad ng cash. Merong, ano siya, may staff doon, may window. Dito sa EDC, ang gagawin natin, papasok lang tayo automatically, recognize yung bill natin. Makikita mo yung nandun. This one, 3,170 up to here. We're going back to Chiba now by car. I hope you learn about the EDC and how to travel by car. Okay guys, see you in our next video. Bye! Mata ne!
Thank you.